Well, if you drive a lot and live on the road for a few years with a few thousand miles, one of the guaranteed expenses is going to be a windshield, and today is one of those days. I'm expecting the guys to come and replace my windshield. I got hit a few days ago, and today we're going to go make an attempt to replace this. So we'll see how that goes.
Oh, thank you.
You want to stop?
Almost. More my way. I'm too far over. Oh.
All right, about 3.5 hours later, the new windshield is installed. So we just hope that doesn't leak. So about $1,100 labor and about $300 of sealing or sealant or glue or whatever they call it. So yeah, we got a new windshield. Total cost probably close to $5,000-6,000, and that's just what things cost with these big rigs. About yeah, hope it lasts a while and it doesn't leak. So thanks for watching.